I am really excited because I have Kyria Eleftheria here, and we're in her kitchen at Raki Baraki in Rethymnon, a little meze restaurant. She's going to teach me how to make one of my really favorite Greek dishes, which is a stewed eggplant with the Cretan xenochondro, this sour kind of version of Trahana. She described this dish in 3 very important words: simple, classic, Cretan. And I think that kind of sums up everything here. The first thing we're going to do is add the olive oil to the pot. She always cuts the eggplant in those big pieces, and she basically coats it in the oil for 2 to 3 minutes, just to start softening up a little bit. Ah, que patata. She's adding potato to this too. 2 potatoes. Here's a really accurate Greek cooking direction. She cooks the eggplant just until it takes on the flavor of the onions and the olive oil, which is about 2 to 3 minutes. The potatoes and the eggplant are going to take around the same amount of time to cook. The next thing that she's going to do is add white wine, Cretan white wine, of course. Wow. Smells good. So the next step is to add the garlic, and you can see she cuts it in pretty big chunks. And she does that because she wants the garlic to show. That's what she just told me. You know, this is the heart and soul of Greek cooking. Eggplant, onion, garlic, potatoes, tomatoes, in countless recipes. Every little corner of this part of the world has some interpretation of that combination of ingredients. That's like the total beauty of this cuisine. Salt, pepper, a little bit of dried thyme. Είσαστε έτοιμοι για...
να βάλουμε το μαϊντανό και το δυόσμο.
So the parsley, maidano, and mint, which is the osmo in Greek. She's going to use, again, the most accurate unit of measure in Greek cooking, which is what we say, metomati, just eyeballing it. Περίπου πόσο βάζετε?
Περίπου μια κούπα.
Around a cup. It looks so hearty and so comforting, like real Greek mommy's food. This dish is a really good example of the way grains are used all over Greece. This is creative cooking. On Crete, it just evolved naturally from what grows, and it's the soul of the Mediterranean diet.
Θέλει να βάλεις και κάτι από σένα.
So you put your soul in the pot. You put your a little bit of yourself in whatever you cook. And that's the real secret.
Λοιπόν, εμείς,
It's pretty much ready. So, she just surprised me. This is traditional Cretan food, and this is ancient Cretan food. It's a pot full of xenochondros with some vegetables and snails, which have been eaten on this island from Minoan times and even further back. Wow, that smells good. She's going to show me how to eat this now because there's a little trick to eating the snails. Για δείξτε μου.
Λοιπόν, εδώ, το ρουφάμε. Κάνουμε εδώ ένα κύκλο.
Και μετά βγαίνει.
Το κάνεις πιο εύκολο.
Οκ.
Από εκεί, κρατάς, εκεί μπράβο. Βρούμητα τώρα το πυρούνι σου, το καρφώνεις εδώ, έτσι, και το σηκώνεις απάνω.
Oh, I got it.
Να.
Oh, it's really good. Can't wait to taste this. Μαζί.
Θα μας πεις και την γνώμη σου.
I love this dish. Γεια στα χέρια σας. Είναι τέλειο. Είναι τέλειο. It's hard to believe that there's no meat in this dish. It's so filling, it's so rich, it's so hearty. Γεια στα χέρια σας, πραγματικά. Health to her hands. So she could cook for another 37 years food that's this great.